Hello! In this video I'm going to show you Mirror Machine, a desktop application that I made with Processing and ControlP5. Simply put, Mirror Machine is a photo effects tool that you can use to create highly customized mirror effects. Let's jump into the app and I'll show you how it works. So I've opened the Mirror Machine app and I'm going to start by choosing an image to apply the effect to. I'm going to choose an artwork from one of my favorite artists, Alex Pardee. I'll open it, and here we see that Mirror Machine automatically starts by mirroring the image. We'll come here to the mirror percentage slider, and we can see that as we move it, we see the mirror changing. So this controls what percent of the image is mirrored. The other tools we have are horizontally flipping the image, vertically flipping the image. We can rotate the image either clockwise or counterclockwise. And then there is a random mirror feature, which will randomly choose an orientation and a mirror percentage for the image. So let's see what that shoots out. Finally, once we see one that we like, let's just choose this one for now. We'll save the image. I can choose what to save it as, and I'll save it to the desktop for now. And that's the basic functionality of how Mirror Machine works. Now I'll show you some images that I've created with Mirror Machine. Thank you so much for watching.